Are you ready for a journey through time and legend? Join us as we explore the mysterious castle of Count Dracula in the heart of Romania. Hello everyone! Today we're taking you on a special trip to Transilvania, home of the legendary Count Dracula. We'll uncover the secrets of this fascinating castle and recommend the best places to stay and eat nearby. First, let's dive into some history. Bran Castle, also known as Dracula's castle, was built in the 14th century and has a rich history. But what makes it truly special is the legend of Count Dracula, inspired by Vlad the Impaler, also known as Vlad Tepes. As we walk through the castle, you'll see medieval rooms, secret passageways, and incredible views of Transylvania. Every room has a story to tell, and the atmosphere is truly unique. After an exciting day at the castle, you'll need a place to rest. We recommend some of the best hotels and guest houses nearby. For example, Hotel Transilvania offers comfortable rooms and a fantastic view of the castle. Of course, we can't forget about food. There are some great restaurants near the castle. Casa Vlad Dracul restaurant offers authentic Romanian cuisine and a unique atmosphere that will transport you back in time. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like it and subscribe to our channel for more adventures like this. Also, leave a comment below and tell us which place you would like to visit next. See you in the next video.